Good
what to...
morning.
Hey, Mom, could you take me to the store? I know what to get you and Dad.
Friday.
Saturday.
Are we going to stay with Mama?
Yeah. So, good morning, guys. Ito ang ating breakfast. Eggs and rice.
So,
Si Sissy gusto niya ng cereal, yung kanyang favorite Fruit Loops. What?
I just wanted my
So,
own
we're going to
You didn't get me my own
Ano si Caleb, guys, same thing yung kinakain niya sa kinakain ko. Si Kuya Chad gusto niya ng eggs lang, plain eggs. And then si Troy, same thing. Ayun ang breakfast.
Mom, thanks for the
Pero
eggs.
gasin niyo kung oras na.
Finish
It's
already.
It's 10:39 na. Late breakfast.
Like breakfast.
Well, actually, it's still breakfast, but yeah.
Yeah,
So guys, gagawa tayo ng cake for Mommy and Daddy's anniversary.
Hey, could you take me to the store? I know what to get you and Dad.
No. You don't need to get us anything.
I'll get you, Daddy, a lovely heart.
A lovely heart. Give me a lovely heart.
Mama,
Yeah.
try and do
You
this.
sure?
Mama, try and get...
Yeah.
Hey, Mom, what's
Kuya, you
Dad's
done?
favorite Yes, that fast. What is
There's
Dad's
more. There's a little
favorite?
bit more in there. Do you want some that leftover in there? Get it.
What is
You
Dad
done?
like
Just
most?
leave it there in the counter.
Hey, Mom, I know you love Hello Kitty. And on...
Guys, lunch ng mga minions. Nuggets lang ang lunch nila kasi late lunch na.
Mommy,
What?
not minion.
Your minion. Your mommy's minion. Okay. Eat. Hi guys. So, nagbe-bake na ako guys ngayon ng cake. Ito siya. Ito siya. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo. Kita nyo ba? Hindi ko makita. Ayan. Then, binake ko na din yung, ay, hindi pala binake. Ginawa ko yung favorite ni Daddy na pistachio cake. So, ito siya. Pistachio siya. Pistachio. Ayan. Favorite ni Daddy. Ayan. Gawin natin. Ayan. Ilalagay lang siya sa ref. Oy, tapos na yung cake. Let's see. So, tara siya guys. Tingnan natin. Tutusukan natin sa middle kung may isasamang ano sa ano. Uy, walang sumama. So, ready na to. And this one, medyo napadami to eh. Let's see. Uy, wala na din. Ayan, kailangan tusok-tusukin lang natin to make sure na wala na talagang sasama sa ano, sa toothpick. Ayan. So, ready na siya. Yay! Ready na! So, patayin na natin to. Ayan. Medyo makalat lang yung aking area. But, yeah, tapos na siya. So, wala na tayong lulutuin. So, ayan. Yay! Ayan. Tignan nyo yung aking pwesto. Sobrang kalat, o, diba? So, don't judge me. Naguhugas na ako actually. Ayan. Kaganina umaga pa to eh. So, guys. Gagawin na natin ang ating cake. Ayan. Gagawin na natin. So, ano na sila. Pag ito. Hindi na sila mainit. So, pag magbe-bake kayo ng ganito guys, wag nyo munang agad-agad na lagyan ng icing kasi matutunaw yung icing. Kailangan palamigin nyo muna yung inyong mga cake. Wow! Professional! Hindi, yun lang kasi yung mga natutunan ko since nag-bake talaga ako ng cake, cupcakes, ganyan. So, kailangan sila, hindi sila you be quiet!
What did you say?
Ano yung babaitan to?
What did you
Saan ka punta, girl? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going?
You can't even.
So anyway, so yun. So kailangan, yung pagbe-bake is, ninyo, yun. Basta anyway, so yan, ito gagamitin natin itong, hindi ako gumawa ng aking sariling,
Mommy.
what?
Mom.
Ng sariling, icing. Ito na lang. Binili na lang. Pero medyo matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi gumagawa ng sarili kong icing, guys.
Don't we have the
So-
sprinkles? Don't we have the sprinkles?
Yeah, we have some sprinkles. We can use some of that.
But where
Cause-
are they?
This is only plain. Huh?
But where are they? Where
I'll get it when I'm done here, ma'am.
Can I dance for a
So,
little
chocolate. And itong cake na to is yellow cake. Favorite to ni Daddy. Kaya ito yung gagawin natin. So, yeah. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung ating icing. So, hahaluin lang natin siya, guys. Kailangan nyo haluin. Medyo mababa yung ating ng camera. Ayan.
No. No.
Ang hirap din yung haluin.
That looks delicious.
It looks delicious. So, sa baba, yung bottom ng inyong lalagyan. Lagyan nyo ng icing para hindi pupunta kung saan yung inyong...
Why are you adding it on there?
Ha?
Why are you adding it on there?
Manahimik ka nga dun. Okay. So, ayan. Tanggal na siya.
Are you going
So,
to make
ilalagay natin to sa baba. Ayan.
And what about the other
And then,
side?
lalagyan natin ng icing dito sa middle.
And on the we're making a cake. Mommy's making a cake. Mommy's making a cake. Mommy's making a cake. Mommy's making the cake. Mommy's making the cake.
You know what?
Yes.
Yung baliktad natin.
It looks perfect.
Ito na lang yung... kasi, ito kasi medyo maliit lang siya eh.
Let's add the cake.
Ayan na lang yung ilagay
Let's
natin
make
sa...
a cake. I'm gonna go and
Ano?
throw this in the trash. I'm gonna throw this in the trash.
Ay.
Sprinkle.
Tapos, we're gonna put these at the top.
On the top,
Yeah.
it's going to be two.
I know, I already put icing in it. It's hard.
And stack it on in the
Ugh.
glue. Wow, it's perfect. It's
Perfect, huh?
perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's really perfect. And now we can add some more.
There we go.
Wow, you're painting all the chocolate.
Yeah, you have to.
Where people can't see it when it's chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you don't have chocolate.
Oh, no. This one is.
There's a little bit. There's a little bit left. There's a little bit left. I can't turn it off. Okay. Oh, I think we're excited to see the cake. I'm super excited to see the cake. It's real. It's all mine.
Are you happy today?
Yeah. And these guys look, we have the same mashup. Cool.
Here we go. Good. Here, come here. You go right here.
But how do I pour it? How do I do it?
How do you do it?
I think.
I don't know how you do it.
I can't see anything in this.
Alright.
I choose.
Which one you choose? You have to use this or this kind, like right here. This is a sprinkle one.
Yes, that's
So,
my favorite.
you want to use that one?
color.
Okay.
Yeah, let's pour.
Alright, you want to do it?
Yeah, if I can.
I'll help you. Make sure
Decorate
it's,
the cake. Decorate the cake.
let's
Now what
use
else?
this one.
You can do it.
I can do it.
You can do it all by yourself. And let's do the Christmas one too. This
We're doing
is
the
me.
Christmas one.
Yeah, but I think this one will do great. I think this one will do great.
We're doing just the sprinkles, okay? We don't need to put anything in there.
So let's just put this in. Let's just put this in.
Dami na nating kalat.
Let's pour this in. Put this in. Can I? You can do it. It's going to be great for the part for the day. It's going to be great for everyone to eat. Oh, you're dropping some on me.
I'm dropping it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but can I grab some and pour it on? Add it on. I wanted to pour some.
Yeah. Here, put it in your little tiny hand. Okay, go. Use your finger. Other finger to spread it out. Get some and spread it in there.
Ooh, there's one left.
Good? We're good? All right.
Just the last one.
Yay.
Now it's beautiful. It's perfect. Seriously?
I just added a little.
That
Is that one has a what? Wait, let me see this one. I can put this in these.
Wow, it's beautiful. Well, we're decorating
Naging
the
Christmas
cake.
talaga tong ano
We're
natin.
decorating the cake. I think the cake is
Okay, I
right.
think that's good.
I think that's enough.
Yep, I think that's enough. Yep.
And let's add
Say that's it for our cake.
and
Okay.
let's
Ay, babasagin ni Rhea. Madam, babasagin.
add this.
Okay, it's good.
Yes, the cake is ready. But how are we supposed to get it?
So, ayan na ang ating
Well, I'm stacking
cake.
up the sprinkles.
Kung ano na lang nilagay. Para maging happy lang si ate girl. You made a tower? Alright. Well guys, it is, 6:06. So, mag-start na ako mag-fix ng dinner para makakain yung mga bagets. So guys, ang ating dinner for tonight, dapat gagawa ko ng pork chop na may yung ibe-bake, tapos with rice and green beans. Kaso, wala na pala akong rice na ginagamit ko na nakapakit. What?
Hey, Mom.
Hoy, get down from there!
What? I can just step down.
Yes, get down. So, wala na pala akong Oh, see? Sabi ko na eh.
I just did it.
So, wala na pala akong nakaganon na packet. So, mag-pork chop na lang tayo ito. With, ano ba yung nilagay kong Montreal steak seasoning. Yun lang yung nilagay ko dito. And it smells so good. And then, we're just gonna have some white rice. And then, hindi ko lang kung lalagyan natin siya ng green beans or what. Kasi parang hindi siya but, baka hindi ko nalagyan. Kasi normally, nilalagay ko dito is, corn. Pero, kakakain lang natin ng corn last night. So, plain lang. Rice and then pork chop. Ipa-fried natin to with butter. So, dapat guys, kakain kami ni Daddy for dinner tonight. Dahil nga, aming anniversary today. But, because dahil late nang makakauwi si Daddy,
We are done decorating the cake.
oh my gosh, be quiet! So, late na makakauwi si Daddy. And, late na rin kami makakapag-dinner. And, hindi pwede na kasi kumain ang asawa ko ng late. Dahil nga, alam niyo naman na, nagda-diet. And then, meron siyang tawag nito, nag-i-insulin siya. So, hindi siya pwedeng kumain ng late.
Again.
So, kaya kapag umuwi siya ng gabi guys, hindi na siya kumakain. Kasi talagang late na talaga kasi siya umuwi. Like, 8 o'clock na ng gabi siya umuwi. Kasi, nalabas siya sa work ng 7 sabi mo ng 7:15, ganun. And it's 45 minutes yung drive pa uwi. So, 45 minutes papunta sa work, 45 minutes pa uwi. Kaya late na siyang umuwi. Kaya pagka-uwi niya, hindi na siya kumakain. Nag-ano na lang siya, like mga snack, ganon. So, bihira na lang namin nakakasama ang asawa ko sa dinner pagka day off niya. Kasi yung day off niya is talagang 2 days ang day off niya is Tuesday and Wednesday. Kaya yun. Kaya doon na lang namin siya nakakasama sa dinner. But anyway, so ayan na guys. Kain na sila ng kanilang simple dinner. Ayan na. Sinap ko ng konti.
Can I make a heart? Hi, Janice.
Okay. Okay, we'll eat. Eat. Hey, eat ha.
Mom, can we play some music?
Sasampalin ko kayo with all your iPads, gadget talaga. What?
I want to play some music.
Okay, play some music. Alright, yan na guys. Ito pa yung iba. Ayan. Hey, you guys need to eat, ha? Ayan. Gusto ko kasi medyo crispy ng konti para mas masarap siya. Ayan. Simple dinner lang, guys. So, guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung binili sa akin ni Daddy na flower last night. Kagabi niya to binigay sa akin. Ayan. We have a red rose. Then, of course, binilihan din niya si Natalia ng flower dahil last na bumili ng flower si Daddy, hindi niya binilihan ng flower si Natalia. So, nasad siya.
Out of the way.
Okay naman ito eh.
Okay, so Daddy got me this.
Yeah. Then, Daddy got me cards also.
Cards also.
And then, uy! See, you almost, ay, naku naman to eh. Then, guys, since binigay na ni Daddy sa akin yung mga gift niya, so, binigay ko na rin sa kanya yung gift ko. Meron akong gift kay Daddy. Binilihan ko siya ng itong pabango na polo. Bango niya, promise. Ayan. So, yan. Pinilihan ko na siya.
Daddy here?
Not yet. I think so. Gusto ni Troy kainin yung cake na eh. You wanna eat the cake na? Well, I think Daddy is here already, I think.
But where's the cake?
Daddy's
I
home!
know what it is.
So, Daddy, close your eyes.
Pistachio pie
No!
or banana pudding.
Say, open.
Okay.
I have pistachio pie. Thank you. Thank you, sweetheart.
Daddy's favorite.
Yes.
Oh,
Thank you, sweetheart.
you're welcome. I know you
Troy will
want
like
that.
that. I
So.
think Troy will like that.
I don't know. I think he tried it or
he's
not.
tried it.
I don't think he did.
I think he'll love it.
Yeah.
Especially how he likes the peanuts.
Mm-hmm.
I think he'll love the pistachio. Ain't that right, Troy?
This
Troy.
is Daddy's
Ayan, guys.
cake. I
Eating
give it
cake.
a 5-star rating.
Oh, really? You don't have to pull your glasses up, sissy.
Hey, Mom, I know this is not a thing, but I give it
Caleb is
10
done. Caleb is done.
Oh, that's fine. It's fine. Me
So, yes,
can't do
done.
it like this every... You vlog it. You vlog this without shirts anyways.
Well, it's getting my
Views.
comment close.
Comment below if you try okay this is good or not.
Quiet.
Mom.
It's hot.
I know. What about having the AC in your room?
Someone turned it off.
I turned it on.
Look, someone else turned it off.
Just put your glass right there,
I have
so
nothing
me and
to
Daddy can
concern
use it.
about this. I'm not the person because even
Whoa.
if I were to turn
want a
it
straw?
off, I would be.
Mommy made this special for Daddy because this is Daddy's favorite. Do a small piece first.
Okay.
Actually, I'm just gonna cut my piece.
Thank you for making this, but I think I'm full. Mommy, I think I'm full from eating.
Are you gonna use this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, I'm full.
Well, okay, that's fine. Just leave it there. Oh.
Can that be mine?
Well, I'm gonna let you have a bite then. If you like it, then I'll get you a piece, not quite as big.
Is pie good for health?
For health.
Yeah, pie good for health?
Sometimes.
That's why mommy don't make this all the time for daddy. Only on occasion.
Only on special occasions.
Can that one be mine?
Well, here.
That's the
Lick that one. Or
Chew it up. Chew it up.
Chad and Caleb needs to try it. He's just swallowing.
What
Oh.
do you think about that?
You gotta chew it. Chew it.
You like that? It's good, ain't it?
Do you want another one?
You want a piece?
Chad, Caleb! You like it? Get another one. I don't think you got the...
Come here. Yeah.
How is it, Caleb? You like it? Si Kuya Chad, guys, tapos na siya kumain. Ayan, kumain ng orange. Kumain ng orange. Ayan. Kaya naayos ko tong table eh. Para naman maging maayos naman ang table natin. So, this one, ilalagay natin to sa ref para malamig. Then, meron tayo doon. And then, yung apple natin eh medyo, ano na lang, kakapiranggot na lang. Sisi, eat it!
I'm building a tower.
How was the cake?
Good.
Good?
Hmm?
Good?
Yes.
So, we're eating cake, guys. Let's try this cake, people. Nope.
New Chipotle Honey Chicken brings a hint of pure honey and seared smoked peppers with fresh chicken hot off the grill. For Chipotle heat with a touch of sweet in a perfectly balanced sauce. Chipotle Honey Chicken takes heat and sweet to a whole new level.
Got some milk.
I